Hey guys, welcome back to Bakes Foods. In this episode, we're making gourmet burgers with ground Wagyu beef from Japan. Please make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos. Enjoy.
Where's all the ingredients, man?
Oh my god! Dude! I'm gonna cut evenly into 4 individual cubes. You don't want to overwork the meat because it'll get tough. Sometimes you gotta mash. Then after a long-winded thing here, we're gonna put these in the fridge and let them rest. Alright, we're gonna get our vegetable saute in here. I'm gonna use a little bit of butter. Some squeezy garlic. Onions. All of them. Done.
What about those ones on the floor, man?
Yeah, it passed. Can we get a beer for this guy? Alright, the mushrooms.
Done.
Done. Beautiful going down in those mushrooms.
How'd you get so good at that?
Mada. You just want to season them right before they go on the grill.
What kind of seasoning are you using there, bud?
I'm using a prime rib and steak rub.
Any steak rub would probably work. Beautiful. Done.
Alright, and we're going to put these on 3 minutes one side, cheese, 5 minutes the other side.
Wagyu ground beef.
This is our homemade garlic butter herb sauce here. Well, garlic butter, properly more technical. Slather a bun with that.
Get that off your hand. Thank you.
Done.
3 minutes exactly. I would say we could do a little temperature increase.
Little temperature increase? I don't think so.
Maybe not.
Gonna go for another 5 minutes.
Feels like the timing's gonna be perfect. Ah.
Look at all that juice.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah. That looks perfect.
Perfect. Done.
All the butter's on the grill. So with our bottom bun, we're gonna go with a nice wasabi cream sauce. Get a little dollop on there. Just gotta make sure we're doing the bottom bun here. Alright, top side. gourmet garlic mayo
And what makes it gourmet?
is that you can snap the top off instantly. If it doesn't come off right away, you know it's terrible. Man, look at these guys.
Wagyu Burgers. Done.
Bottom bun. Bottom bun. Bottom bun.
Sauteed mushrooms and onions. Perfect. That's plenty. Oh, yes. Oh my god, look at that burger. What kind of sides you got there, Ben?
Some gourmet roasted bacon potatoes with a little bit of onion, green chili, balsamic.
Done.
Done.
Extra sloppy for you.
If it ain't sloppy, it ain't good.
A little balsamic vinaigrette, glaze.
It's a beautiful medium rare though.
That's good. The sides. We'll try the sides first. Obviously, say the best for last. That's going to be in the background. Ooh wee.
Don't tell me you're gonna cut your burger in half, Pat.
Nope. I wouldn't do it. Are you still recording?
All right.
Just the
Close.
fat.
Ben may have just changed my whole entire mind about Wagyu hamburger.
Can't beat that.
Hey Ben, what do you call Wagyu the next day?
Wagyu.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hey, if you liked the video, please give us a like, subscribe for more videos, let us know what you think in the comment section below, and until the next one, thanks out. Dude.
I got you, man.
Can't do it.
I can't. It's gonna happen again. I got you.
Bendy spoon, you know.